I do legally. Stop the car. Stop.
On June 22nd, 2025, Mayfield Heights police were called to remove a group of teens from a private swimming pool. It should have been a quick wrap. Instead, things took a dangerous turn when one teen decided to use her car as a weapon. Here is exactly what happened.
Oh, let's go!
Get out or you will be arrested! If you do not live here, you will be arrested! Get out now!
Get out!
You will be
Get out!
arrested!
Do you live here?
You will be arrested if you do not vacate the property. Everybody leaving. I didn't want to come right out.
Do you want to go to jail?
No, I was
okay,
just...
so leave.
Oh,
so leave. So leave. Leave, let's go.
Charlie, this is fucking unbelievable. It's time to go! Get out now! Now! Or you will be arrested for trespassing. You do not belong here. We will arrest you. You guys are not moving fast enough. Let's go. You don't belong on the premises. You'll be the first one here because I've been telling you. Start moving like you have a purpose. Move like you have a purpose. I don't want you sitting here congregating and talking. Go somewhere else. This is private property. And unless you live here, which you don't, you have no business here. And we will arrest people all summer long. I'm telling you this now. This is your one warning. Do not come back here or you will be arrested. We're going to help you move. You'll come with us. Do you? Do you live here?
I live here.
Okay, but go away. They don't.
I was just talking. She's pretty. I just want to
let her go. You're holding her up.
No, I'm gonna go.
You're interfering with us.
So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I just want to talk to her. She looks pretty.
So you have an ID?
What do you need my ID?
You say you live here.
Yeah. You don't need my ID?
You want to go down that road?
My ID. Go ahead.
Go ahead. You're good. Go ahead.
We're gonna play that game.
Go. Go ahead.
Do you live here?
I do live here.
Stop the car. Stop.
King David John 9035. King David John 9035.
Get out of the, open the door.
Get out of the car now.
You didn't have to hit somebody and run away.
It was bar accident. You don't have to do all the extra stuff and put me on. You don't have to be aggressive. You see how you do all the extra stuff and I'm a client. You don't have to do all the extra stuff. Okay, that's fine.
Hold on. Drop. Relax your hands.
My hands is relaxed. If you can't get the cuffs, that's not my problem. Okay. Hold it here.
She's got this.
Yeah, she has like the.
Pull it up there more.
Order 71.
You hit him with a car.
Doesn't matter.
You said number?
Yeah, we are. You're going to jail.
Yeah, everybody's leaving now. There's just that one vehicle that was being a problem. I'll advise we're okay for right now. Okay. 647. Can you send a chance for this car?
Ma'am.
How hard is it gonna make me?
I'm knocking the. Listen, you're not the one. You're not going to tell me what to do.
Stop
You're going in the fucking car.
So aggressive.
You're not going to tell me what to do. Get in.
Hello? What the fuck is wrong with you? You're not gonna keep grabbing my arm so aggressive, you weak ass bitch. Scary ass hoe. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I went to jail. Oh fucking with weak ass. Okay, well if you gonna do that, turn my car off. Hello?
Why are you?
Hello? Can I call my mom so she can get my daughter?
Where's your daughter?
Not with my mom, obviously, so that's why I asked.
Your daughter's not in the car, so yeah.
No, okay.
Yeah, I'm here trying to get through traffic. I got me. You all just log several people obviously left vehicles upon our arrival. The lot's clear out now. Pool's empty. Copy that.
All right, step out. Come on, dress down. Come up here. I'm gonna check you. Come up here.
You know, I have an attitude not going too far. Pull it down. Be for real. I have a baby suit on. Just be sure. Pull it down. You can pull it down more.
You can. I'm gonna take off the cuffs. Come on.
You pull it down more.
You do it yourself. Come on. You do it yourself. I'm gonna uncuff you. Come on. So I can hear it. What's up? Yeah. Just stay like that. Hold on. There we go. Hold on. Wait.
Don't grab my arm like I'm a kid.
Wait.
You
Come on.
chill. I'm fine.
Stand against the wall, please.
That's the right thing. I'll look that way. You gotta put the hand down. There we go. Perfect. Now the other way.
How do I know if I'll be booked for like the whole night or?
What's up?
How do I know if I'll be booked for the
Once
whole
we get
night?
through all this, I'll talk to the boss and get the answer from him.
Okay.
So we're just not lying and giving you bullshit answers.
Alright.
Just
So
relax.
once we figure that out, I'll let you know.
Apply pressure. Right hand. Relax. Just follow the string. Hold on. Relax it. There we go. Relax. Down. There we go. Here. Come here.
I'll give you this white back sauce just so you can put it in here.
Did you take out sheets and stuff or no?
Not yet.
Okay, great.
Actually, real quick.
When do I know like I'm gonna be booked for?
Once my sergeant comes back in, he's the one who has to take the charges.
Let me get her sandals.
Alright, so you're gonna take everything off.
Yo.
Alright, take your rubber back. Yeah, just sit back down.
Or not?
I'll add it. Let me just throw her. B? Yeah.
Yeah, B1 lower.
B1 lower. Okay. So assault is basically when you use force or attempt to use force on somebody.
Okay.
So that's assault. That's gonna be, you can stay here,
Okay.
hit 9
Okay.
when you dial out.
Okay.
If you need something, that white button, hit that white button.
Okay.
Those are the jail rules. Read them, get familiar with them. Don't destroy anything. Don't beat anybody else up with,
Am I the only one in here?
You're the only one here for now.
Okay.
So yeah, TV's
So,
there.
How
should be
long? I'm sorry. How long do I know before if I'm staying or
a,
not?
so we'll let you know. Once I find out, I'll let you know.
That's why I was asking like what the charge was.
So the charge should be assault unless there's something else that we have to charge you with, okay? So,
Okay.
all right?
Thank you.
No problem.